Good morning. Today is Saturday and it is Valentine's Day, so we are going to Lake Havasu City and we're going to eat at Javelina Cantina.
It's a tradition.
It's your tradition. Well, almost.
Not Valentine's Day, but
no.
And we missed last year.
And the year before.
And the year before. But other than that,
it's been a tradition for every year that I've been coming out here.
Yeah, their tradition.
And
they let me join.
So we're meeting Dubs, C-Dubs, and Dan at Javelina Cantina, and a little fun day out on the town.
Yeah, and we're gonna miss Carrie and Babs and Leslie and all the others that aren't here this year.
Yep, that's right. And they're always with us, though.
That's right.
Yep, you can't come to a court site and they not be here. So they're always here in our hearts.
That's right.
So anyway, we're gonna go to Moon Mountain first. We got some packages to pick up. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, so they're open. So we're gonna go pick up some packages, then get on the road to Lake Havasu City. But first, we have to go into CVS.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision and denial. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, right.
So here's the river going out into the lake.
I'd like to take that boat ride over to California again, then back.
Look at that beautiful bougainvillea. We're at Javelina Cantina, Lake Havasu City, Arizona.
Wave, Dubs. Wave.
The bridge. There's the London Bridge.
Right back with the cookies, okay?
Mmm.
And chili relleno and enchilada.
Cheese enchilada.
Let me know how Chiliano is. Same thing.
Yeah. I'm gonna take mine off.
It's a nice summer day, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
In February. Nice summer day in February.
Yes, it is. Look how clear that water is.
I know. It's crazy. It's a tour boat.
Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why?
London Bridge is not falling down, not falling down, not falling down. London Bridge is not falling down. We're so glad about that. But we do have to climb those stairs to get out of here. And Deborah just reminded me that there's no more locks of love on the London Bridge. They removed all the locks because of the weight. Yeah, you don't want the bridge falling down because a bunch of people put locks on it. So that was a thing of the past. Y'all go see this video up here and see how many locks were on the bridge when I was here last. I think they did that a couple of years ago to come down, and I didn't even know that. All right, we got people coming down, so we're gonna wait for them, and we're gonna climb those stairs. There's a big old scorpion. Sammy was laying in this chair. The big old scorpion. You see it? Phew. When it comes over here.
She started messing with it.
Hopefully it didn't get her. She didn't scream like it did. That's the first scorpion I've ever seen out here. Did I look in my chair before I sat down? No.
No more leaving our chairs out.
I usually look in them, but I didn't look in it this time. All right, I got to get taken care of. Now Sammy doesn't want to get up in the chair. Did it get your leg?
Keep looking at that leg. I'm going to go get her under a chair.
Let me see. Deborah brought out her light. SpaceX. That's cool.
Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors around. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feels bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come
What's cool is the tail back there is so bright. That tail right there.